Understanding Hardening Off in Gardening. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase often used in gardening, hardening off. This term may sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand it perfectly and be able to use it in your conversations about gardening. Hardening off is a term used in gardening. It refers to the process of gradually acclimating young plants to outdoor conditions. These plants are usually grown indoors or in a protected environment and are not initially capable of withstanding harsh outdoor conditions. The process involves exposing them to the outside environment for a period of time each day, gradually increasing their exposure. This method helps prevent shock, which can occur if plants are moved directly from a sheltered environment to the outdoors. Hardening off is crucial for the survival and health of young plants. Without this process, plants may suffer from stress due to sudden changes in temperature, light, and wind. This can lead to wilting, damage, or even the death of the plant. By hardening off, gardeners ensure that their plants develop a resilience that allows them to thrive in their new outdoor environment. To harden off plants, start by placing them outdoors in a sheltered area for a few hours each day, gradually increasing their exposure. Begin with mild weather conditions and avoid extreme temperatures or direct sunlight at first. Over a week or more, gradually increase the time the plants spend outside and introduce them to more direct sunlight and varying conditions. This gradual adaptation helps plants strengthen their cell structure and reduces the risk of shock. I hope this video has helped clarify what hardening off means in the context of gardening. Remember, this process is all about helping young plants adapt to their new environment in a gradual, healthy way. Happy gardening, and see you in our next English language learning video.